I love drawing. But, I wonder, how is paper made?
A wonderful question. Let's find out. Every question is an adventure. Our adventure starts here, Shaurya, in a forest with tall, strong trees. First, we carefully get the wood we need and always plant new trees to help the forest. Next, the logs take a trip to a very special place, the paper factory. Inside, the logs are turned into tiny little wood chips. Look at them go! Then, we mix the chips with water to make a mushy, watery wood soup. We pour the soup onto a big screen to let all the water drip, drip, drip away. Then, big rollers press it super flat and squeeze all the leftover water out.
Ooh!
And et voila! The flat, dry sheet becomes a giant roll of brand new paper.
Wow! From a tree to my drawing. That's so cool!
Remember, keep asking questions. Because every question is an adventure.